Hi everybody, this is Miss Gilman and I'm here to talk to you about mean, median, and mode, and range. So when we're looking at a group of data, when we're looking at a group of information, data points from a survey that somebody did, if we want to measure heights or if we want to measure grades, and we want to look at those numbers and really think about what they mean, then we can do a few things to evaluate the data. So the first thing that you're going to hear are these main words. So you're going to hear the words mean, median, mode, and range. Those are the main four that you're going to work on for this lesson. There's a little bit of tricks that go with it a little bit too. So the word mean is on your screen. Notice it has the A in it. That is how I remember that the mean of a number is the average. And so this poster will walk you through and it tells you a little bit of how you do an average. Basically, what you do is you take all of the data that you have for a question or for a topic. So if we measured all of our heights, or if we take all of our ages, you're going to add all of those numbers together, and then you're going to divide by how many people or how many points of data there are. So as an example, it's seen on the screen. So we have 9, 11, 15, 7, 3. Those are the 5 numbers that are included in this. Okay, so maybe that's five children in a household. And you want to say, okay, well, what's the average age of the kids? So you would add those numbers together, 9 plus 11 plus 15 plus 7 plus 3, and your answer is 45. Now, you're going to take that number, 45, and you're going to divide by 5 because there are 5 kids in that house. So if I look at these children in this house, the average age, the mean age is 9. Now, what I can do, and it says down below, is we divided the total by 5 because there's 5 numbers on the list. Okay, so if somebody says average, or if somebody says find the mean, what it means is you're going to add all of the data points together and then divide by how many there are. All right. The next one we're going to look at is median. So when I think of the word median, I think about driving in the middle of the road. So if you're driving down an interstate, those big barriers that are in the middle, sometimes they're concrete. Sometimes if you're driving on a main road, maybe you see the yellow line in the middle. The little thing right in the middle of the road is called a median because it's literally in the middle. So what you do is you take all of your data, all of your numbers, and you write them in numerical order. So on our page, you see that they started with all the numbers, 1, 11, 18, 12, 6, 8, 3, 9, and 12. So they take all of the numbers. Notice that 12 is on there twice up here, and it's down here twice. You're supposed to. And then what you do is, after it's all in order, you're going to mark 1 out from each side until you find the very center number. So I would mark out the 1 and the 18, the 3 and one of the 12s, the 6 and a 12, the 8 and the 11. So the number, when I put it in numerical order, is right in the middle is 9. Again, median, think of the middle of the road. Of all of these numbers, which one is in the middle, right? Awesome. Now, the next one we're going to do is one of my favorites because I think, and this is my favorite because I think it's the easiest to find. So mode, notice it has an O, is the one that happens most often. So you literally look and see which number is used the most. So given this list right here, I see that the number 9 was used 3 times. 12 was only used twice, and everything else was used only once. So in this data set right here, your mode would be 9 because it's the most often. And the last thing that we're going to talk about today is going to be the range. So if somebody says, what's the range of your data? Basically what that means is between the two numbers, what's the difference? So what you're going to do is you're going to take your larger number, the very largest number you have, and you're going to subtract the smallest number. So in this one, if my largest number was 13, my smallest number was 5, my range would be 8. That means there are 8 different sizes or 8 different numbers in this problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8 different growths in this problem. So start at 5 and you can jump 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how you find the range. This is probably one of my favorite things to do because if you remember these 4 words, then that's going to help you out tremendously. Okay, so this video right here will show you, this little poster right here is a great thing for you to use that shows you a little bit closer how to use mean, median, mode, and range. So enjoy your lesson for the day. If you have questions, feel free to reach out and we will see you shortly. Bye guys.